बेश्टे पॅनिक करपाची गरज ना. केंद्र सरकार जे आहा आमचे युनियन मिनिस्टर श्री हर्षवर्धन जी जे आहा he and the whole there's a specific team that is down in Kerala. They are monitoring it. They have contained it to specific 2-3 villages. 2-3 area villages is not the right word. पण गोंयान आमकां कसलोच भंय ना. पण आमी आमच्या लेवलाचे सेक्रेटरी रिव्यू करीत आहा आणि there is no reason to worry about it because it's contained. Today also statistics have come out. There are few cases, contained cases, isolated cases are 318. Apart from that, there are 7 cases which they found that they thought it is this thing. But you know what happens is that there's no reason why we should be worried. As far as what we are reviewing and taking the protocol as directed by the central government.
It's okay. There's no need to panic in this.
No, not at all.
What about KFT? KFT
काय ना आयल्या केसेस म्हाका काय KFT चे कितें आसता तेल बी लावन वयचे पडटा. तुका हांव सांगता हांव वायल्ड लायफ फोटोग्राफर. आमी जेन्ना भायर वयता आमी गाडींतल्यान आमी केन्ना केन्ना देंवना कितें ते टिक्स म्हण आसा ते स्किनाचे पोंदा वयतात. तेजे उपरांत मागीर तुमकां तरेतरेचे कॉम्प्लिकेशन जातात. म्हणून ते त्या तरेचे प्रिकॉशन आनी त्या तरेचे अवेअरनेस म्हाका दिसता की आतां आयजच्या दिसाक आमचे हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटान एकदम बरें काम केलां. चडशे लोक जे काजीनी बी वयतात तांकां त्या तरेचे अवेअरनेस दिवन त्या तरेचे ते ऑयल्स दॅट इज अवेलेबल त्यो तरेचे तांकां सारके knowledge and awareness is being created. I think people are pretty aware now.
Yeah, you've been given additional portfolio of law and all. What do you have to say about that?
And let the notification come. It is not right for me to speak unless the notification comes. When the notification comes, I mean, then but I know, I also heard, but one thing is this is a prerogative of the Chief Minister and I leave it to the wisdom of the Chief.